Hi everybody, I did a Scotty video with Laura here, and this is her daughter and son-in-law's camper, Matthew and Rachel. It's a 1974 Sprite
1974.
From Europe, and they're a little camera shy, so Laura's going to give us the tour and tell us the story about it.
Yeah. This was a total remodel.
Okay.
It had a lot of water damage, a lot had to be replaced. He took it down to the studs and had to start from scratch.
Okay, so she thinks that they found it on Craigslist, and it came with the awning?
No, my mother-in-law made that.
Oh, okay. Alright, and we're going to go inside. I want you to see the step here. That's an old tire. And here we go. Look how cozy that bed looks. It's like
And it pulls out.
It's like a day bed, but it pulls
Yeah,
out.
it pulls out to here.
So it makes a full size, maybe even a queen. Yep. And storage up here. Now, do you know about this one, like how big it is or how much it weighs?
15 foot.
15 foot.
It probably weighs about the same.
And this was your father's, you said?
No, it was ours.
Okay.
And then when we got our Scotty, my father-in-law and mother-in-law got this one from us to take camping. And they're not able to camp anymore, so now my daughter's using them.
So it stays in the family.
Yeah.
That's good. I like the little twinkle lights.
Yeah, she puts lights everywhere.
And she told me that this was decorated in Mimas style, and they told her to go ahead and make it her own. So she's changed it up a bit because she's pretty young.
She's 20.
So she wouldn't want the grandma style, but it's cool that she wants a vintage camper at 20.
Oh, she's very vintage.
Yeah. This is a, what year is this?
74.
It looks older. It looks more vintage than that. Yeah, she's got some nice touches here. And you had to redo this whole one?
The whole camper had a lot of rot. He had to remake he made all the window screens. He put new gaskets in all the windows.
I just did that. Well, my brother and his wife did it, but on my camper.
And then he built this cabinet, and it used to have an air conditioner in it, but now it's just for storage.
Do they have an air conditioner?
It's at home. Yeah.
But you
and
can
then
put
this
it
used
in.
to have a heater, a little
Okay.
gas heater. And then they took that out because they didn't use it.
So where do they put the air conditioner when they use it?
Right here.
Oh, so
And
they
then
can
it
put it
vents
back
out
in.
the side right here.
Okay.
There's even a hole in the back that the
Oh, I see
on
it.
the side.
Okay.
It vents, and then that little hole, the exhaust goes out there.
Okay. All right. Now, do you know how this got over to the United States?
I do not know.
Is that a bathroom there, or is it just a closet?
It probably one time was, but now it's just a closet.
Okay. All right, Laura. Well, we're going to show outside. Thank you for giving us a tour of the two campers.
You're welcome.
As with all the European ones, it's unique. You can tell it's different. Look at those windows. And she's painted the propane tank. Now, did she just paint the yellow and orange, or was that already done?
No, Brian painted it.
Okay.
It was those colors, but it was very faded.
Now, that vent right there for the air conditioner, that's what I have for mine. Mine's larger. And I always have to tape mine closed, but I see how they did that. They put a hole with a peg through there, a wire. Because if I forget to put tape on mine, it goes flapping when I'm going down the road, and I'm afraid they're going to break off.
Yeah.
So that's a good idea. Wow, look at the bumper on this one.
Yeah, he put that on there. I think it's off of a truck.
It looks like exhaust pipe, or I guess it's like a running board.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
off of a truck.
It sure is cute. Big window too.
How about those big windows?
Yeah. Okay guys, that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye.